Hello guys, Shivam here, and today I'm going to tell you how to create free landing pages and build your email list. So I'm going to show you two of my landing pages. First one is this one. As you can see here, once someone enters their email address and their name and click on get instant access, there is a confirmation message where I have set it an autoresponder which can send and welcome email, or you can create a landing page like this where when someone enters the email address and click on get instant access, he's redirected to a different site which you from where you want them to go. So how to do this type of how to create this type of landing pages for absolutely free. So first you have to go to MailChimp.com, then you have to sign up using your Gmail or which Facebook account. Then you have to go to what can you do, then create and landing pages. Then after that there will be this type of page in front of you. Click on try it out. And before creating a landing page, you have to go to create, and you have to create a list, basically email list, which you can create after creating the or before creating the landing page. So you can create a list easily. There after creating a landing page, they will give you a default list set like this that I'm going to use in this, and I'm going to name this landing page as test. Now begin. Now you will be prompted to choose a template. So for creating landing pages like this, you can choose this one, grow your list, and just click on here. And next what you have to do is choose the content, or you can just don't you can choose the design from here. And let me just show you. Click on here, logo, and you have to just pick one of the images for this. I'm going to use this image, this one, bonuses from Shivam, and then just click on insert. After that your image will get inserted here. Then you can create a headline. Just click on edit. Just go here and you can change whatever you want to write. Just can just write heading here. You can change the font or whatever you want, add link or whatever. You can write a description here or just delete this box. I've written here description, get access to worth of training modules and that stuff. Then after that just put your email. You can choose what you want from your subscriber, first name, last name. You can choose whichever you want. Then if you don't want their first name or last name, just click on just its default email address. Then you can pick the style of the block container and you can edit in whichever way you want. After that just click on save and close. Now you come to this page where you have to give a title of the page, which is displayed on the tab in Chrome or whichever browser you use. Like I'm going to show you here. Like in this page, you can see here it's written join the crew. As you can see here, it's written join the crew. Okay, so like this, that you have to edit the title of the page. So I'm going to write here test page, then click on save. Then the URL, if you are using the free version, you cannot use your own domain. You have to create a link test like I've written, and then just click on save. To test landing page. just click on save. Now you can edit the list or whatever. Just click on the publish. Your landing page is ready. This is the link of your landing page. If you click on this link, here is your landing page, which is called the test page. Someone clicks here and then clicks on subscribe. So what I prefer doing is, after creating the landing page, if you own your website, then you can just hide the link from your domain like I do. Add new link. So just copy this link over here and link target URL here, like anyone which you can test. Okay, and just click on publish. After that you will get your link as this. You can edit this, and I've put it here test. Here it is. Now your link is live with your domain name. Here it is. And if you don't own a website, you can use another free service which is called Bitly. Just go to bit.ly. I'm going to provide the link in the description, and here comes the Bitly website. Here just click on create and bit link, and it will hide your URL like this, and just click on create. You will get a shortened URL which you can again use for your website. Here it is. So this is it for this video, guys. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get free bonuses and stuff from, like, I have 40 plus free products which I'm going to give you absolutely for free. You just have to click on the link which I'm going to give you again in the description. Subscribe to my email list, and the first bonus you will receive just after you join my email list. Thank you, guys.